Welcome to this video on mastering the use of S and S in English grammar. We will be exploring the essential rules for the simple present tense to help you become a grammar champion. What is the golden rule for using S or S with verbs? Let's find out how and when to apply these suffixes to your action words. We have two teams. The NOS team consists of I, you, we, and they. With these, we leave the verb alone. The yes-S team includes he, she, it, and single names, which require adding S or S to the verb. Now that we know the yes-S team requires an addition, how do we decide between S and S? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1 is the general rule. For most action words, you simply add an S at the end, as seen in examples like he runs or she writes. Step 2 covers hissing sounds. If a verb ends in negative S, negative SS, sh, ch, negative x, or negative z, we add s instead. For example, he washes or she catches. Step 3 is the Y rule. Look at the letter before the Y. If it's a vowel, just add s. If it's a consonant, drop the Y and add IEs, like in the baby cries. Step 4 covers the rule breakers. Some common verbs have irregular forms, such as go becoming goes, do becoming does, and have becoming has. It's quiz time. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Can you get all 5 questions correct? Question 1. Does my dog bark or barks loudly? It's barks because my dog is singular, placing it in the yes-S team. Question 2. We watch or watches cartoons? We choose watch because we is part of the NOS team. Question 3. She brush or brushes her teeth? Since brush ends in a hissing sh sound and the subject is she, the correct form is brushes. Question 4. The bird fly or flies? Because it ends in a consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IEs to get flies. Question 5. Rahul and Amit go or goes? Since they count as they, we don't add an S, so the answer is go. Congratulations, you have completed the quiz with a perfect score. You are officially a grammar ninja. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this grammar lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future fun learning.